Hope you're doing marvelous, and welcome back to another nutrition video where this time I'm going to be using Idaho potatoes. I'm going to be cutting them up into dices. Now to get potatoes into dices, right, first thing you want to do, I already did it here, is cut a sliver of it off, because what you want to do is you want to be able to lay the potato down. And then what you want to do is you want to just go ahead and straight cut it down in half. And that is how you get dices. And now that I've cut all the potatoes that I needed, I'm gonna go ahead and start throwing the seasonings on it. Well, first we're gonna start with olive oil as usual. And the next thing we'll do is throw garlic powder on there, my favorite. Then in comes the Dash garlic and herb seasoning, probably my second favorite. And then I'm gonna go ahead and throw some salt on here. And we'll leave the pepper alone since we use Dash. Now for those potatoes that I just cut into dices, they're gonna be oven baked, right? So I have my oven here, I set it to 400, so it's at 350 and it's still climbing. So once it gets to 400, I'll go ahead and throw those potatoes in the oven. And now that my oven's preheated to 400, time to go ahead and throw the potatoes in. But with diced potatoes, you should be good with between 25 to 30. And the oven went off for the potatoes, so we'll go ahead and bring those out the oven. Then of course I'm gonna just simply take my fork, stick them through, and of course taste a couple pieces too, just to make sure that they're nice and tender and soft like they're supposed to. Oh yeah, these are definitely good. Okay, well, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you decided to make this. I hope you enjoy this as much as I do. Till next time.